Hello there guys, it's Sam again with another video review. Today we are going to make a little video demonstration of the Deadpool figure. This one is, let me check, 1 by 12 I guess. I'm not sure. Never mind, so let's open the box and see what we have. This one is the Chinese version of the Marvel edition. So the box was really destroyed outside. So here we have it. First it comes with a stand. This one is a clear stand. So let's leave it aside. So here we have the Deadpool figure. It comes with a removable head. And arms, I guess. Okay, so here we have it. It also comes with some blades, another base plate, over here I see, what's that? I have no idea what this could be. Here we have another head. Some removable hands over here. So this one, I guess this is for the pistol grip. I don't know what this could be. Same. Thumbs up. This one is the left hand for the pistol. And here we have a grip. Next we have two blades. Some desert eagles. Two of them. And over here we have some removable eyes. Let's take that apart. So we have some hearts over here, as you can see. And that's all. So let's see how we can change the eyes. Over here we have the second head. Just like that, it pops out. So let's put the hearts and the eyes. Over here you can see it's quite nice. We have a different eye. So this is similar to the second head, as you can see over here. Of course we can blend the eyes, so it can be like that also. Over here you can see we have removable arms. Also the grips. both left and right. We have a little belt. Also, this one is articulated. The chest, as you can see over here, the legs. Here we have the pads also, knee pads, the foot. So that's really nice. This one is fixed on his leg, it's not removable. So let's make some poses and see how it looks like. So over here you can see the pose I just saw on the internet. So that's really amazing. Over here you can see all the accessories it comes with. Different eyes, second hand, and this is the base. So that's a really nice figure. So that was a Deadpool figure. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I also hope I helped you a little bit with this product review. Also subscribe in my channel if you already haven't, that helps me a lot to continue showing you new things. So thanks again for watching and see you in the next one. See ya!